Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to use Instagram for business, which means if you have a business and you want to increase your business by using Instagram, then how you gonna do that. So you have to watch this video completely. First of all, you have to open the Instagram, and what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile icon here. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply switch your account to professional account. As you can see here, as I have already converted my account to professional account, so I will tell you how you gonna do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the profile. After that, you have to click on three lines. In three lines you can find the settings option, and in setting you can easily find the option of account, and here you can find the option of switch account type. As you can see here, are two options. The first one is switch to business account and second one is switch to personal account. After switching to your account, which means business account, here you can add your products, and after adding your product, here you can use your professional dashboard, that how many customers you have reached and how many products are reaching your customers. In this way you can use Instagram for business purposes. If you want to know more about the business account on Instagram, you can also connect to Instagram help for detail. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.